Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue while playing the game Black Ops 6. You got a dev error with error code 0XD8F46539 right onto your PlayStation. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. In the basic step, you need to go ahead and restore the license of your game. To do so, open up PS5 homepage, select your game and go to the settings. Now right in the settings, click on the option users and accounts. Now here, click on the option other. Once you hit the other option, you will find the option of restore licenses. Go ahead and click on the option restore license. Now it will ask you the which game you want to restore the license. So from the list, select Black Ops 7 game and then it will restore the license. And once the license is restored, you are ready to play the game. Although, if this failed to work out, in next step, again, first of all, right into the console, you need to click on the option manage game content. After selecting the manage game content, you will find the installed files of the Black Ops 7. From here, make sure you completely uninstall the Black Ops 7 Warzone right from the system, because this is the major issue behind this dev error. So make sure you uninstall Black Ops 7 multiplayer as well as Black Ops 7 Warzone by clicking on this delete option. Once it is deleted, go ahead, you are ready to play the game, relaunch it, and the issue of dev error while playing Black Ops 6 onto the console will be completely fixed. So that's all about it, friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.